Tired of just watching your money sit in a bank account? Let's unlock the potential of Robinhood and explore how you could realistically aim for $100 a day in potential earnings. First, stock selection is key. Research companies you understand and believe in. Look for those with solid growth potential, strong financials, and a history of consistent performance. Don't just chase hype. Now, let's briefly touch on options trading. This can magnify your returns, but it also dramatically increases risk. Consider buying and selling calls and puts on stocks you are already familiar with. Start small and manage your downside risk. Next, dividend investing. It is a more conservative approach. Invest in companies that consistently pay dividends. These regular payments can compound over time and contribute to your daily goal. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks within the same day to capitalize on small price fluctuations. This is a high-risk, high-reward strategy. Dedicate time to studying market trends and using technical indicators, and set strict stop-loss orders. Finally, let's discuss risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes, and always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, especially in day trading. Remember, consistency and a well-thought-out strategy are crucial. $100 a day is an ambitious goal, and it requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Keep researching, keep adapting, and good luck.